A lot of people wanna even see the pain I done went through. You feel me?
D-Mark got that heat.
Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? Welcome to Blade's first Motovlog. Yeah! Man, look, I know I'm late to the game, but I've been watching Motovlogs for I don't even know how long at this point. I've been watching them for probably like 3 years now, and I could tell like at this point that they're definitely dying out. But it's something that I always wanted to do, and I bought the equipment for it, so shit, why not? You know what I'm saying? Here we go. I got a few plans for it, but this challenge is mainly gonna be for me. Just posting what I want to do, whether that's whatever. It's gonna be a completely random channel. I ain't even gonna lie to you. There's gonna be a lot of moto vlogs in there, but it's also gonna be me just doing whatever. I can't even tell you right now. I got some plans though. But if you guys want to see some specific content, definitely go check out BladeTheRebel. That's the gaming channel. Try to post daily on there, or at least stream or something. I've been slacking in that department, dog. I ain't gonna lie. I did YouTube for like 2 years, like non-stop, every day, posting daily uploads, and I'm not gonna lie, it didn't work out. You know what I'm saying? So kind of you know, by default, if you will, thought that school bus was gonna stop, but kind of by default I just kind of like, I don't know, I just kind of stopped. I don't know. And you know, I still post stuff here and there, kind of to keep the channel afloat. The point of this video is obviously introductions, but also it's my first moto vlog. I don't know, man. I was like, man, I'm like, F it, bro. I'm finna do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's the worst that can happen? I also got another channel, and it's called Blade's Creations. Now that channel is going to be like more on the serious side. Basically what I'm planning to do is kind of get some people and kind of interview them about their lives, you know what I'm saying? And not you know, not anybody special, just everyday people. And I don't know, I'm bringing that. I don't know if I'm gonna bring that this week or next week, but hopefully it'll be something special. You know what I'm saying? I want to do it to help people, kind of give people a voice. I know a lot of people have a lot of good stuff to say, and who knows, I might not need to hear it, but somebody out there might need to hear it. You know, playing the game is fun and all, but you know, I'll be stuck there for hours trying to edit, and then the fact that I only get you know, let's be honest, I was only getting like between 6 and 20 views on average. I posted one video, and it got 10,000 views in one day. That was Titanfall. I was surprised that something like Titanfall would get that many views in one day. But I mean, who knows? This might do the same thing, or it could do, you know, no views. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, this guy's kicking so much dirt on me, bro. Asshole driver, dog. That's one thing that sucks about being on the ground, bro. I only could go about 60. I'm 6'3", like 255 pounds, so I don't look that fat now. I'm definitely bigger than what I used to be, but I played college sports, so you know, I had to put on a little bit of weight. Played defensive line, and wow, I didn't know this road led here. This is perfect. I needed to go to work. This road is taking me right to work. That's what's up. People gonna be upset at how slow I'm going, but you know what I'm saying? Kiss my ass. If I was an asshole, I'd be at this guy, but he might be strapped or whatever. I ain't trying to get into all that. Now the time is 4 o'clock. People trying to get home, and that's probably why they speeding. But anyways, I definitely got a lot of stuff planned for this. I don't want to say plan, but ideas. And you know, the richest place in the world is the graveyard, because a lot of people don't act on those ideas that they have. So that's what we're out here doing. It's a beautiful day. We get to be outside and enjoy all this sexy blue sky. And I'm down in Florida, so it's been raining pretty consistently, and it's been a while since we got a day like this. And this day looks fantastic. Now, there will be some videos that I'm gonna post with my homie Surf, and he used to have a channel. I don't know what's up with that, but we've been riding around Tampa, you know, hit the beach or something at the Grom. I think those would be some fun videos with him, because I got the road to myself. Yay, yay! But it'll be some fun videos, just because you know, he a hooligan. He don't really know. He don't know how to ride like an expert, but you know, he got the gist of it. He's still learning how to get his shifts correctly and stuff. What we doing? Oh yeah, Marcus, there goes you about it does somebody. What I want to do is build basically an audience, and I don't know, we just chill out, maybe we go riding if you guys live around here or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Now I will say I have yet to ride in a group of people. I really do. And I hear that it's a lot of fun. I've always rode by myself. The first motorcycle I had was a CBR 600 F4i. You know, I see a lot of people going to stunt those and stuff. And I truth be told, you know what I'm saying, I'm not a stunner. I'm trying to learn how to do wheelies on this thing, but I get real scary, you know what I mean? No, but I definitely want to go riding with a big group. I ride with my homie Surf, you know, here and there, and it's just us two, but it's a good ass time, you know what I mean? So a lot of people like these little Groms. So the fact that I'm 250 and I can hit 60 miles per hour on this, that's saying a lot this little thing can do. I definitely plan on investing in a big bike soon, because the F4i is down and out, and I'm probably gonna junk it soon. Basically I had a wiring issue, and it just wasn't I couldn't fix it. I wasn't gonna pay, you know, another $1,000 or so to fix it. Especially I had got in an accident with that same bike, and I was sitting at a red light, and the light turned green, and as soon as the light turned green, I kid you not, somebody ran me over, dude, from behind. You know what I'm saying? And he hit my ass, and I went flying into the median, or not the median, the intersection, and oh, it was painful. But I wasn't really focused on me. I was worried about the bike, which all I had was a few scrapes, little road rash. I had a helmet on, some gloves. Got some pretty bad road rash on my my elbow, and that was pretty much it. But my bike was, oh, it was through, dude. My bike, it was it was gone, dog. Like, when they hit me, it bent the subframe. If you don't know what a subframe is, it's what you sit on, and it bent the chassis, you know, what holds the engine, and then it bent the swing arm also. So it bent the entire bike. Like, all the force went through the bike, and you can see it, you know what I'm saying? It's not like it's hard to see. And yeah, I got on it and I was able to fix it. I spent, like, I don't know, $1,200 trying to fix it. I had to buy new rims, new tires, new fairings. That's what really ran up the bank. And then it had an oil pump issue, so I had to get a new oil pump. And it was good for like a year, but eventually I guess when the swing arm got bent, and when the swing arm got bent, it kind of made the rear caliper rub on the tire. And one day I was riding and I was using the rear brake, and it just went out on me, you know what I'm saying? And I was terrified. I was just like this, riding the intersection, and I just rolled into the intersection. Luckily, everybody had red lights. My light had just turned red, so ain't nobody go yet. So it could have been really bad. Now I know you're saying you could have used your front brakes, but I was still kind of new to riding, and I was panicking. I used the back and front, but I got in the habit not to grab a handful of front brakes so I don't fall. But I guess that kind of hurt me in that instance. So anyways, I'm almost at the workplace, so I want to appreciate you guys for watching. Those of you that have, if you guys made it this far, make sure you guys comment Blade, B-L-A-D-E, baby. Shout out to the channel, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. I'm out.
If you was 10 toes down, they wouldn't run you over. Put 4G auto rims on my Range Rover. Most of these niggas want me dead, wanna fuck me over. Chopped out mini bandos, my stack.